Today, we are taking my flat bar over to our friend Bree's house. You guys don't know Bree. She hasn't been on this channel yet. You're gonna meet her today. Let's go to the origin of this idea. John had this idea almost 2 years ago when he moved to California to build an underwater skate park. The same idea happened to dawn on him. So I called up John and I was like, hey John, are you still planning on doing that video? He said, no, it's all you. Have fun, knock yourself out, but not unconscious. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try to build a skate park underwater using some flat bars and some ramps that we have. We're gonna see how this works. Welcome to another shitty video.
You live in my dream state, relocate my fantasy. I stay in reality. You live in my dream state.
Like I said seconds ago, building a skate park in a pool. And when I say skate park, what I mean is just putting really cheap skate stuff into a pool. The X Factor Walmart ramps and this flat bar and her flat bar. Although this flat bar is not a cheap Walmart item. How's my smell? Am I okay? Hey.
There you go, now you're friends.
2020 vision. Cupid hit me with precision. I wonder if you look both ways when you cross my mind.
So what we gotta do in order to start this is we have these dumbbells and we need to weight them to the ramps so that the ramps stay at the bottom of the pool so we can actually skate them. How are we gonna do this, you ask? That is a good question because I don't know either, but you'll find out in this video. I'm gonna give a major shout out to Bree for letting us use her house and her pool to facilitate this video. Bree has a channel. If you guys do not know who Bree is, she has a fairly small channel. She has like 3,000 subscribers. I've seen her at Silverado a bunch of times. We've never spoken, we've never hung out or met until this. Basically, she's funding this entire video by letting us use her pool. All right, so this is how we're gonna do it. Look, we just connect all of them. And look. Yeah, see, look.
All the way around, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, nice thinking, buddy. Got this, keep it going, bro.
Ow, that hurt my foot. You have such a big head. He's really smelling on my dick though. Like I don't know him like that, so I don't know if he's like gonna bite it. He looks like the dog from the Never Ending Story. You guys ever seen that movie? Oh my god, dude. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah.
Throw it in.
Yeah, I go. Oh, it's sinking. Sick, it worked.
No, the other one broke off. Step 2, throw the rail in. Construction at its finest. The final ramp.
There it goes. Damn, skate park under 12 feet.
Should we?
I'll put it in the 4. Yeah, probably, dude. That's what I thought we were gonna do, but you got too ahead of yourself.
Why didn't we put it in the 4 feet?
Yeah, I don't know. You're an idiot, bro. You threw it over there.
Oh my god, this is already not.
I'll move it.
Will you?
Yeah, I want to jump in there already. Which one should I get first?
Probably the rail. Probably be the easiest.
Oh god.
Is it hard?
Yeah.
I'm gonna help Jason move everything to the shallow end. Behind the camera, he is donating his board to the cause. Jason Leva, thank you.
Aww.
His channel is in the description below.
Look at it.
Who's cringing right now?
Chill, baby. Whole gang full of drug addicts. Ooh, chill. Take a lot of shit, forgot what happened.
So, this is what we're gonna do. The audio on the GoPro isn't really functional, doesn't really work that well. So, this is just gonna be straight montage of us skating this skate park underwater. I know, you're probably thinking, how in the fuck are you gonna do this? This is gonna be crazy. I know, it is gonna be crazy. Basically making up our own tricks. This is gonna be a really stupid, ignorant, lighthearted montage of us being children on camera. Alright, that was underwater skate park. Hope that looks fun. I think it looks fun. It sure was fun. You can make your own underwater skate park at your house. DIY underwater rare skate park. It can be fun. It can be family friendly fun. It can be all the things that you ever wanted it to be and that your parents ever wanted it to be. It'll help you stay off drugs and it'll help you stay in school.
Alright, we're about to shred this rail into the water.
Another tip to keep you guys off of drugs in school.
I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you niggas. I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you niggas. I'm living my best life.
First try, bro.
Done these in a while. Ready?
Yep. Just right away, right now. Just go.
What do? Do you just jump out and then flip?
Jump out and just go. You got it. I believe in you, buddy.
Just do it?
Just do it, bro.
So just like that?
Yeah.
I'm so scared I'm gonna hit my head. Well, like the momentum isn't gonna fling you backwards.
I believe in you, dude.
Like there's no way that I'm gonna jump out and try a backflip and I'm gonna land back on the board.
No, no way. Worst comes to worst, you smack your back in the water. Right here. All confidence.
Just go for it?
Just go for it, dude. Full on confidence. Get it right here.
Start back here or do you start on there?
Nah, I did it on top. It felt more comfortable. Oh! Oh my god! Yeah, it was almost there. I told you to do it off of 1 foot, bro. I'm getting burnt up, bro. You better hurry up. Right here.
Hold on.
Oh.
I've done this since I was in high school.
Damn, that was like 40 years ago, so.
I've literally not done this in 10 years. I've never done it off a diamond board this short. It was off one that was like this big. So I had like a lot of air time, you know? Jump out and fling back.
Fling back, that's it. You got it right here, right here.
I'm scared, bro.
Confidence, bro, confidence.
If I'm running forward, that's not gonna happen, right?
How are you gonna fall back on the board if you... It makes,
I'm running forward, right?
makes no sense.
It's not gonna happen if I'm running forward.
Exactly. You know it's not gonna happen, so why are you scared?
No, because it's fucking scary.
You got it right here. Dude, oh my god, I feel it so bad. Right here.
That's kind of cool.
I bailed.
I don't think it's gonna work on 2 feet, Dad. From Tennessee, California.
Let's see. You just named 2 states. Was I halfway and then bailed?
Yeah, you're halfway and then out of nowhere you bail, so your whole head goes down into the water.
Do it off 2 feet or 1?
Do it off of 1 foot, mate.
Did I?
Did you do it? You did it with 2 feet, mate.
Stop.
So did I or didn't I?
2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet.
That's what I did.
Do
You
it.
did, you did. Del Decker cleaning off the diving board, getting ready for the work. Will he commit here on Del Decker channel? Oh!
So just fling back?
Yes, exactly. Right here. Dude! That was so good. That was so good.
Was it?
That was perfect.
It didn't feel good at all.
What? No, that was really good. I swear to God.
Was it?
Yes, that was really good.
Should I do a better one?
That was a nice little cannonball in there too. Do it for the decorettes, bro. Damn, you got him on lock now, huh?
That was good?
That was good. Good job, dude. I'm very proud of you. Coming in with the flip. Dude, that was perfect. That was perfect.
So
Out of 10, what do you rate that, Bree?
Dude, that's a 10.
10, bro. We're both gonna give
Dude,
what?
I walked out without you even being able to do it, and I come back to that. That was crazy.
Hey, shout out to Bree for letting us use her pool.
This is Bree.
Bree
Thank
has a
you.
YouTube channel. She skates. She has a skateboarding
Yes, I do.
YouTube channel. So check it out. It's in the description below. Jason also has a new channel, which is in the description below. You guys should know that by now if you saw my last video. And if you've been keeping up with what's going on Future Mob, Jason is actually going to be uploading a video very soon about some stuff about that. Nothing crazy, nothing like super dramatic, but it's just an explanation. So y'all don't get the wrong idea. We gonna set the record straight. Both links in description.